So this week is week 5, and we're in our first second day of the week, so 5.2. Do now please make sure you take out your integrated operations number 5 assignment. Check your work with the answer key and revise your work accordingly. Today's objectives include the following. Content, I can multiply and divide integers. So today will be very familiar with you. A couple weeks ago, we did adding and subtracting integers, but this time we're multiplying and dividing integers. And our language objective is I can reflect on my understanding of integer multiplication and division through a Google form. So our agenda includes homework review. We're going to be playing math games. Okay, so you guys probably remember a couple weeks ago we played math games for adding and subtracting. Now we're doing multiplying and dividing. And then you'll be taking screenshots of your work, because if there's no screenshots, I don't believe that you actually did it. And then exit ticket, telling me how you did in each game, followed by the planner. So for homework review, as always, please make sure you check with the answer key first, then check in with your peers and collaborate with them. We review it as a class based on the problems you write in the back of the whiteboard for homework review. Make sure you revise your work accordingly. Don't just let mistakes happen, fix them. And then assign yourself a homework grade based on the homework we did. Remember that if you do not assign yourself a grade on your homework, I don't grade it. You need to assign yourself a grade. That's why there's some assignments that I return back and say, hey, assign yourself a grade. And the homework rubric can always be found on the back of the plastic shoe protector. So just turn the page over. So for math game today, there's a worksheet, but I didn't print it out because I don't want to waste paper. It just has instructions. So I'll click on that shortly. You're going to be asked to play 3 games on the laptop. Then take those 3 screenshots and then submit them on Google Classroom. So on the worksheet, here are the instructions. Today, you'll be doing a lot of practice with multiplying and dividing integers by playing computer games. Follow the instructions below to complete the assignment. So first, you go to Google Classroom. After you go to Google Classroom, you'll click on week 5 and play each game in this order. Math Dog, Who the Math, then Town Creator. 2 of those games should sound familiar, 1 is new. You play each game as many times as you want. So if you want to try to set the record for this class, feel free to do so. And then make sure you take screenshots of each game and upload them on Google Classroom for integer operations number 6. Those 3 screenshots represent number 6. Then last but not least, fill out the Google form as an exit ticket. So I'm going to model how each of the games work, just so you guys know. So we'll click on Math Dog first. And in Math Dog, you want to click play, click expert, so click on the red, then time attack. Negative 1 times negative 4, when you get it right, it barks. Okay, negative 2 times 8, what is that class?
Negative 16.
Okay, next one.
Negative 22.
You guys see a timer? It goes faster and faster each time you answer it.
Oh.
And then there's 3 answers I answered in a row. Give me a wrong answer for this one.
7. 1. 7. 5.
Okay, game over. So I stopped at 3. So you're trying to see how long you keep the streak going. We'll see who gets the highest streak in this class for today. And then I'll let you know if you get close to the all-time record. There's a really high record yesterday. Okay, so that's game 1. Game 2. It should look very familiar. The first game was about multiplication. What do you guys think we're doing next? Division, yeah. And how many questions?
25.
25. So you can use the mouse. Negative 24 divided by negative 6 is 4. Or you can use the keyboard and just type the answer. Negative 4 divided by 1 is negative 4. Okay. And so forth. So same game there. And then the last game is Challenge Creator. Click on that. Which option do you think we choose?
Multiplication of
2 times 2, 4. Get it wrong. Complete to level 7. So remember that for the 3 games, Math Dog, if you want to get the leaderboard, so take a look at the back of the whiteboard. Game one, you need to get 30 in a row if you want to get the leaderboards. Okay, so that's achievement. The second achievement, game two. So that's for math talk, 30 in a row. Huda math, you can get 20 or more correct for Huda math. And then if you can get complete all the way to level 7 for time creator. So that's that. And then when you're done, make sure you fill out the Google form. And remember, no screenshot means no evidence, which means I don't believe you. So make sure you send the screenshots. And if you forget how to take screenshots, there's a video tutorial on that. On this link right here. See video tutorial. Last but not least, in your planner, please make sure you write down IO number 6 and IO number 6 exit ticket. You might be able to finish both of those assignments and you can write none in your planner. So make sure you're being productive, and as always, extra credits through IXLs. If you thought today's lesson was super easy, do the hard one, C20. If you thought today's lesson was very hard, do the easy one, C18. If you want double extra credit, do both of them. Remember, no screenshot, no evidence. So make sure you show me a screenshot up to 90. I mean 90, at least 90. And make sure I can see that it says 7C18 and 7C20. Some students send me screenshots where there's only a score. I don't know what it's for. Some students mark it as done. I don't know if you have any evidence that you actually did it. So make sure you send full screenshots on Google Classroom. Thank you for your time. Take care and have a nice day.